Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change your app language on CapCut. So you've been editing videos and maybe you don't understand English very well and you'd feel more comfortable in your mother language. So first things first, we're going to click on the top right corner of our screen on the little settings icon. And this will bring us to our app settings. And the first thing that will pop up is the app language. So all you have to do is click on that. And as you can see, we have quite a few languages to choose from. So we're going to click on French and then done. And as you can see, everything is changed to French. But sadly, I do not understand French. So we're going to change it back to English. Click on English and then click on the top right corner. And it's back to English. And that's how you change your app language on CapCut. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.